We're going to start with the chapter Methods of Inquiry in Psychology for CBSE Class 11 Board. So, in this chapter, we will see goals of psychological inquiry, nature of psychological data, some important methods in psychology, limitations of psychological inquiry, ethical issues. So, जैसे हम लोग मेथड्स मेथड जैसे मैथ्स में हम कोई मेथड लगाते हैं है ना तो वैसे ही मतलब कुछ रिसर्च इन साइकोलॉजी में कुछ रिसर्च करने के लिए कुछ इंक्वायरी निकालने के लिए वी whether are methods of inquiry in psychology. So let's start with the chapter. So goals of psychological inquiry. Like any specific research, psychological inquiry has following goals: description, prediction, explanation, and control of behavior, and application of knowledge. So generally in an objective manner, let us try to understand the meaning of these terms. So goals of psychological inquiry. So कौन कौन से goals हैं? Description है, prediction है, explanation है, and control of behavior or application of knowledge. So generally in an objective वाला में दिया हुआ है मतलब जो गोल्स है डिस्क्रिप्शन कि डिस्क्राइब करेंगे अ पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर है ना तो हमें पता चलेगा वही समथिंग तो डिस्क्रिप्शन हो गया प्रिडिक्शन हो गया फिर एक्सप्लेन करना होगा फिर कंट्रोल करना होगा तो ये चैप्टर इसके बारे में है मतलब हम लोग गोल्स देखेंगे हम उसका नेचर पढ़ेंगे हम उसके इम्पोर्टेंट मेथड पढ़ेंगे इन साइकोलॉजी उसके लिमिटेशंस क्या है तो इसमें यही है मतलब डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमने डिस्क्राइब कर दिया प्रिडिक्शन कि प्रिडिक्शन ऑफ बिहेवियर प्रिडिक्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं बिहेवियर एक डिस्क्राइब करना होगा और एक प्रिडिक्ट करना होगा राइट प्रिडिक्शन ऑफ बिहेवियर देन आता है कंट्रोल सॉरी एक्सप्लेनेशन how can we explain that particular behavior है ना causal factors right we control how can we control that particular behavior and application यही पढ़ेंगे हम so let's see description in a particular study one second in a psychological study, we attempt to describe a behavior or a phenomenon as accurately as possible. This helps in distinguishing a particular behavior from the other behaviors. Within a particular category, there may be further minute descriptions. The description requires recording of a particular behavior, which helps in its proper understanding. So description में क्या होता है एक psychological study में we attempt to describe a behavior or a phenomenon as accurately as possible. तो इतना accurate होना चाहिए how to describe a particular behavior. तो उससे क्या help होगा distinguishing of particular behaviors from other behaviors. Other behaviors का we can distinguish a behavior. Within a particular category, there may be a further minor descriptions. छोटे छोटे minor descriptions तो होंगे. So this description requires recording of a particular behavior which helps in its proper understanding. तो proper understanding के लिए हम record कर सकते हो particular behaviors. This was all about description. This was prediction. So the second goal of psychological sorry second goal of scientific inquiry and the prediction of behavior is prediction. If I want to understand and describe the behavior accurately as come to know the relationship of a particular behavior with other types of behaviors, events, or phenomena. You can then focus that under certain conditions, this particular behavior may occur within a certain margin of error. Prediction becomes more accurate and with the increase in the number of persons observed. Prediction क्या होगा अगर हम एक पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर को अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं एक्यूरेटली, you come to know the relationship of a particular relationship. If we are able to understand and describe that behavior, तो हम उसका रिलेशनशिप भी तो जान सकते हैं ना, उसका क्या कनेक्शन है, उसका क्या रिलेशनशिप है. We can forecast that under certain conditions, this particular behavior may occur within the certain margin of error. Certain margin of error में क्या होगा? Forecast, one second. We focus on under certain conditions, कुछ certain conditions होते हैं that this particular may occur within a certain margin. यही certain margin में शुरू शुरू दिखने शुरू हो जाता है. So prediction becomes more accurate with the increasing number of persons observed. तो prediction क्या हो जाए बहुत accurate बन जाता है with the increasing number of people बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, लोग बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. So क्या हो रहा है, तो जो behavior है और जो prediction है it becomes more accurate. Explanation. The third goal of psychological inquiry is to know the causal factors or determinants of behavior. Psychologists are primarily interested in knowing the factors that make behavior occur. Also, what are the conditions under which particular behavior does not occur? Explanation. अब third goal क्या बोलता है? Third goal, one second. Is to know the causal factors or the determinants. The causal factor या behavior के क्या है determinants. Psychologists are primarily interested in knowing the factors that make the behavior. मतलब वो कौन से factors हैं जिससे वो behavior occur हुआ है, वो behavior आया है, कैसे. तो psychologist वही उसमें interest मतलब they show their primary interest. वो primary interest इसमें है कि वो behavior कहाँ से आया है. Also, what are the conditions under which a particular behavior does not occur. Right, explanation हो गया. Control. If you're able to explain why a particular behavior occurs, you can control that behavior. अब हमें पता चल गया कैसे हम वो आया है, कैसे एक्सप्लेन मतलब प्राइमरी फैक्टर्स पता चल गया. अब पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर कैसे आता है, कैसे आया है, इसका रिलेशनशिप क्या है, तो अब हमें उसको कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा बिहेवियर को by making changes in its antecedent conditions. Control refers to three things: making a particular behavior happen, reducing it, or enhancing it. तो तीन चीजों से बनता है. एक पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर आता है, उसको घटाता है और उसको इनहांस करता है. So this was all about control. Okay, application. The final goal of the scientific inquiry is to bring out the positive change in the lives of people. Psychological research is conducted to solve problems in various settings. Because of these efforts and quality of life of people is a major concern of psychologists. Scientific inquiry is also conducted to develop new theories or constructs which leads to further research. So ये the final goal है to bring out the positive things application in life of people. So psychological research is conducted to solve problems in various settings. हर एक various settings में it is going to solve problems. Because of these efforts, the quality of life of people is a major quality of life. जो लोग quality है the major concern of psychologists. Scientific inquiry is also conducted to develop new theories or constructs which leads to further research. Scientific inquiry also conducted वो भी conducted होता है to develop new theories. कुछ नया theory conduct किया और constructs which leads to further research. जो further research के लिए काम आता है. So this was all about the methods. Then next class we will see what are the steps in conducting scientific research. So thank you guys. I hope you like my explanation. Please subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button if you are liking my explanation. Thank you guys.